This is with regards to the health of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and we have seen the kind of protests that were raised and concerns were raised over Arvind Kejriwal's weight issues. Now, this is a letter by the LG to the Chief Secretary on Arvind Kejriwal's health, and there are several instances, what it reports, saying that there were willful low-calorie intake by Arvind Kejriwal. There was sufficient home-cooked food that was provided to him. However, the Chief Minister did not consume the prescribed diet. Now, remember, there was a lot of hue and cry with regards to the Aam Aadmi Party, also suggesting that there was an attempt, rather, that Arvind Kejriwal's health deteriorates while he was lodged in Tihar jail, and also suggesting that he had lost several kilos of weight in a short span of time. However, there were reports that came in from Tihar that fact-checked as far as Arvind Kejriwal's health situation is concerned, him also being severely diabetic. But to that, events that has now been fact-checked and cleared on part of this letter that has now been taken up by the Delhi Lieutenant Governor himself on Arvind Kejriwal's health. And however, it says that despite a sufficient home-cooked food, remember, this was one of the requests that were made by Arvind Kejriwal's family and Arvind Kejriwal himself, that he be provided home-cooked food while he is lodged in Tihar. Let me go across to Tetri now. Tetri, good morning. What does this letter say, and what about the politics with concerns the health and the weight of Arvind Kejriwal?
Well, you see, this is the letter that has been written by Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena to the Chief Secretary of the Delhi, and in fact, in this particular letter, he has apprised to the Chief Secretary about the health of Arvind Kejriwal, and in fact, not only that, he has also highlighted the fact about his weight, highlighted the fact about his blood sugar level, and also have mentioned that he has not been taking the prescribed meal as per the doctors, and also not been taking the medications as well, which is a concerning and alarming situation, and also in fact has asked the jail authorities to make sure that Kejriwal strictly adheres to the prescribed dosage of medicines and insulin apart from the diet specified by the dietitian. So here also, he also further says, in fact, in this entire letter, important also is to note that the prima facie reason for the decrease in weight, for the decline in weight of Arvind Kejriwal health is due to the less calorie intake, is what the letter states. Now see, however, Aam Aadmi Party has been claiming since day one that, Arvind Kejriwal's health is at stake, his life is in danger, and it is happening at the behest of the BJP. So all these things were claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party, and then we also broke the documents that we managed to access from Tihar jail authorities, where we saw that what was Arvind Kejriwal's weight, to blood sugar level, to his each and every detail when he was out in interim bail, then walked into the jail. So all those details were mentioned, and based on those details, the documents, now this comprehensive letter has been sent to the Chief Secretary.